Tired of cold calling random numbers and hoping for a response? Let's turn Propstream into your lead generation machine by extracting Realtor contact information in just a few simple steps. First things first, log into your Propstream account now. Pinpoint your target area by entering a city, zip code, or even drawing a custom boundary on the map. Propstream is all about laser focus. Next, let's refine your search. Click on the filter button in the owner section. Select agent, broker. This narrows down the results to properties owned by real estate professionals. Propstream allows you to further filter by property type, MLS status, and a ton of other criteria. But for this tutorial, focusing on agent-owned properties is key. Once you've dialed in your filters, click apply. Now, you'll see a list of properties matching your criteria. Select all the properties you want to export by checking the boxes next to each listing, or use the select all option at the top. Ready to export? Click the add to list button and then create new list or add to an existing list. Next, navigate to my properties and click the list that contains the agent, broker info you just added. Click the export button. Choose your preferred format, typically a CSV file. This is compatible with most CRM systems and spreadsheet software. Hit export, and voila! You now have a targeted list of Realtor contacts ready for your next marketing campaign or networking push.